my mic facing me? I forgot. There we go. Is this high enough? Should I have gain higher? Or I guess I could change the volume setting. I don't know. I still have noise issues with this that I haven't been able to fix. So yeah, there we go. Okay. If that's working fine, that's good. Yeah, it's weird. This gain setting and setup right now works good for streaming and stuff. But then if I try to run Discord, it just like obliterates everyone's ears. It's really annoying. So I don't know. If anyone knows like how to fix noise issues with sound recording, it's not like noise from the background. It's noise coming from, I don't know. It's like in one of the channels, some white noise that's not coming from the background. It's only on the right channel for some reason. Okay, anyway, so we're working on this boss fight from last time. I guess I should just try and see what I had done from it. So I think I had gotten... Oh, hey Adrian, how's it going? Has been ages. Let's see. Okay, so last time I had gotten the missiles, I think, aiming to the right destinations. Oh, they'd been selecting the right destinations, but not flying to them properly. Something about... Okay, yeah, they're going to them. They're also not steering as much as they should. I'll let you know if I need ideas. Well, actually, I might need some boss design ideas. But, okay, so it's launching these missiles, but they're not going to where they're supposed to go. Okay, and that guy's charging, which is fine. So the missiles... they should be able to turn, like... Okay, so they're... let's just have this shoot one missile. The missile spawner, I just wanted to shoot one missile. Alright, we'll just say break after that. So we're just going to shoot one missile, see if that works, and then I can just print out stuff and debug it easier. Okay, there it is. And it's going to that spot. So... I kind of want to read, I mean, it's too much work for just this small boss fight, but I read somewhere, I saw some post, did I save this? It was about doing like those anime style missile trails and plumes. It looks so cool. Do I have this saved? I don't think I do. Damn. Yeah, it was, if I can find it, it was like Macross style or something. Macross. No, I can't find it. They're not gonna bounce against the wall. This is just a simple thing. They go towards a target and explode, basically, and so you just have to avoid the target. But I'm trying to figure out why they're not going where they're supposed to go. So the missile, I need to know what your current turn weight is. It's supposed to start out and it'll turn slowly and then it'll turn faster towards the end because I want it to like, okay, so now it's got its thing. Okay, so its turn weight is fine. So now I need to know what's its turn speed because it's doing face direction using, or it's doing face direction there. It's using turn speed. It's getting the turn speed. So let's just print the actual turn speed. Oh, I think turn speed here. This is supposed to be degree to radians, I think. That's what I'm doing wrong. Wait, is that what I'm doing wrong? No, that's definitely not what I'm doing wrong. Okay, so I have the turn speed here. Then we have the turn offset, which is print offset. So this is how much I'm turning on each frame. Hey, what's up, Virgil? I'm back to streaming again. Mostly just as a way to stay more consistent with my work. That means every frame it's supposed to be turning 10 degrees. But why is it not? Okay. True, whatever. What's up, guys? Good night. Yeah, time zone weirdness. So that means it's facing the right direction. Otherwise, let's just print this. Turn speed. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that means it's facing in the direction it's supposed to face, which is not true. What is the direction it's supposed to face? Face direction, global position dot direction to that. Okay, that might be part of the problem. So we're supposed to be facing this way. This direction. Alright, so if I just do var goal position equals global position plus that times, I don't know, 200. And then I do, wait, yeah, there we go. I do 2 local position, and then I just draw a line from 0 to that. Color dot with the 5. Okay, whatever. Let's see if that shows me where it's aiming. Okay, so that's the direction it's supposed to be facing it. Oh, it's because they're pointing up, and this is trying to make it face so they point. Right, so this needs to be sideways, I guess. And then when I spawn them, right, okay, I see what I'm doing wrong. Oh, thanks for the sub, Redox. How'd the launch do? Did you get the exposure sales you expected? Worse, better? It did about what I expected. It was pretty good, I'd say. Okay, that's the problem. It's expecting it to be sideways. Okay. This. Oh, that's not going to do anything. I need to make so this is sideways. And I guess this has to move using the X instead of the Y. And I just have to spawn it in rotated. Oops, not you. Yeah, you saw the video went quite viral. Yeah, that one went viral and I didn't even know why. It was just like, bam, it's now viral. Okay, this looks like it's spawning now properly. Okay, so start turn speed, let's have it at 50, and then the end turn speed will be at 200. And then time to reach max turn speed, let's say 3 seconds, I don't know. What's up, Luke Silva? How's it going? Oh, yeah, they spawn. Okay, so turn speed, let's have it be at 0. And then, so it should come out a bit before it turns. And when it spawns them, they need to be rotated. That plus pi divided by 2, maybe. I don't know if that's going to be the right way. We're going to get an updated indie dev earnings video. I'm not, like, uncomfortable. It's just that there doesn't feel like any point to it, you know? Oh, oops. Alright, come on. Give me a... Okay. Oh, wow, why does that hit so close? Alright, detonate, let's say 30 pixels from the target. And we don't need this anymore, so get rid of that. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I'm not sharing that because it just doesn't feel like there's any point. Like the original videos, actually that would be a good topic for a second channel video. It doesn't feel like there's any point because it's just like, before it was like, oh yeah, I'm making money from all these different sources. Here's how much I'm making. Whereas now it's like, I made a bunch of money from one game because it went viral, You know, it's like, it doesn't feel useful. It's like, well, yeah, if you make a game and it sells a bunch of copies, of course you're going to make a bunch of money. And there's also already videos like that now where people have shared how much they made. Like Punch a Bunch dev, what's his name? Ponty Pants. And also Jonas Tyroller did those videos where they shared, they have games that are like roughly similar success level to mine, and they're already sharing how much they've made, and it's just like, okay, if you want to know, you just see those videos. It's about the same. Yeah, I collaborated with Blackthorn Dev. That was interesting. I had to use Unity for that, which was not very fun. I was like, wow. Now I remember what I hated about Unity. Like, yeah, probably no Udemy course, because it just financially it makes more sense to make games because I make so much more from them now. Now you spawn all 8 again. What is my second channel? It's just Mrs. Live. I haven't posted in ages, but I probably will. I want to. Okay, those look cool. But I need like an explosion effect, and these need to be on the proper layer. Wait, these are on the proper layer. What? Oh, maybe, I don't know, 8, 10 I could do. Mostly it's just going to be for like answering questions. I get a bunch. Okay, that looks cool. But when I detonate, I want to, we're going to call detonate. We're going to say detonate set physics process false. How do I make a timer? It's, what is this? Dot create timer. Here we are. 3 seconds. Yield that. I've been using these lately and it's so convenient. Let's see. Spray. Dot hide. There we go. And particles dot emitting equals false. Here we go. And make this lighter, I think. And maybe I can make that one. Whoa, why is that? Yeah, that's fine. Let's try that again. Lindsay made her short and concise, no video, making the best. Thank you, yeah. It's funny how that's like, I've become known for the whole short and concise thing, when the whole reason I started doing it was because I wanted to put as little time into it as possible. I was like, and that was the way I found worked. Whereas if I was trying to like, I don't know, what's a good color for this missile? If I like did fancy editing and went in super in depth on everything, it would take way longer. That was like time I didn't have because I was working and stuff. What if I do dark? What is it gonna look like? Alright, dark missiles or light missiles? What is it? And then I need an explosion effect. I don't think I have an explosion effect in this game, actually. No, I don't. Alright, so let's see. I need to write down like what sound effects I need. Missile explosion. Oh, and I should do like a lock-on effect. I could probably reuse the footstep sounds from the monkey boss. Alright. Yeah. I think that's everything. For the game, are you planning on keep updating it? Yeah, I'm gonna keep updating it. For now, like, the goals are this endless mode, which can have proc gen and a bunch of like randomly generated stuff, more content and stuff like that. Gonna release that. It's kind of an experiment to see like how does it do adding a big update post-release, because that did pretty well for Rot Flesh, even though that wasn't like the most long-term update. Like, it was a bunch of changes, still had, I don't know, a lot of stuff broken. That was more like fix update than it was like add new stuff update. And I think more people were encouraged to buy because they were like, the game's better now I'll buy it. Whereas I think with this, I'm hoping it's like, oh, there's more content with a lot more stuff to do. More people are going to play the game and like make videos about it and stream it, and that'll push promotion, and people who hadn't heard of it before will see it then, kind of idea. But it's an experiment. I'm seeing how it does, yeah, with releasing stuff this late after release. But I'm going to do that, and I'm going to have someone, my programmer who's working on Rot Flesh is going to be doing a level editor, and somebody suggested a mod loader that they made on GitHub. I'm gonna add that in, so we're gonna add in like Steam integration and stuff, and so yeah, I'm gonna add all that and see how it turns out. Oh yeah, let's see if the missile shooting effect worked, where it like hides them. Okay, whoops. Yeah, so adding lots of replayability and stuff, see how that is. One hit reset, like survival mode madness. Oh, like ultimate hardcore. Wait, where you have to restart the game if you get hit? Or if you have to... I don't know, that sounds painful. I mean, I'm sure people would play it, but... it just sounds like awful. Yeah. New content, and then after this, after I finish this update, I think I'm done with this, and then I have another game I'm working on that I'm gonna do a bunch, try to get it as like playable as possible. I'm collabing with an artist on that. Should be interesting, and then I want to do a VR port of Endoparasitic, like fully first-person VR, which would be an interesting challenge to figure out some of the things from it, like reloading. But otherwise, it's just going to be a one-to-one port, which would be interesting because it's like most of the game's already done. It's just I have to make 3D models of everything, which shouldn't take long because they're very simple 3D models. And then I just have to do the mechanics in 3D, basically. Yeah, that's like my next goals. Right now I'm thinking about what's going to make me money rather than like anything else. Because I want to get, while I have the chance, I want to get to like financial stability for life levels, which I'm not close to that. But I'm like, yeah, while I have the chance, get a house and make enough to get a house and be financially secure, kind of, for like a really long time. Okay, so we have these missiles. I need to do an explosion effect. And then I can do fire. Don't I have... I guess it's on... Just copy. No. Copy you. And under here, give you the explosion effect. And I just want this, and maybe this. And so this explosion was already in. This is what the existing fire effect looks like. So this, if I just change this to be explosive, what does that look like? Okay, and I could like raise this, maybe amount or like the size of things. All right, make unique. Okay, that's not gonna work. So, and then I think on the color, I have to... I'm never sure what I have to make unique here. that won't mess up like existing stuff. Okay, that's not messing that up. What? Oh. No, fuck off. Okay, this, and make it like black. This, it needs like a randomness, I guess, to the lifespan. Is there a way to randomize the lifespan on particles? Maybe the initial velocity? The gravity? Can I randomize gravity? Man, there's things here you can't randomize that you should be able to, I feel like. Hey, what's up, Fatalin? Be cool if the guy launched arms and legs instead of missiles from previous victims. Oh, that would be cool. Alright, I'll do that on another boss. I still need to do a bunch of other bosses, so that's a good idea I could do. Something I could do. Yeah. I'm gonna do like some kind of Frogger boss, I think. Where... Oh, okay. That could work for that one. Okay, yeah, I have a good idea. What is this song? How is this relaxing and calm JRPG music? What's up, Fungi? Okay, so this explodes, but it doesn't look right. There's like... It's too much of a block. Like, it's too much of a blob. I need, like, variance in when... Like, what's happening. Whoops. That's what I wanted. Make unique. That looks dumb. Yeah, is there... Anyone know? Is there a way you can, like, randomize when... What is this? There's a color initial ramp. You can't like randomize in linear constants. Oh, that's kind of cool. I didn't know that was a possible. I see. Huh. That's cool. I didn't know you can do that. I like that. That's useful to know. If I do random, it doesn't change anything whenever I do randomness here. Lifetime randomness ratio, emission life. Like, what does that mean? Ready to solder a few things after work on Mossism. Yeah, just game dev here. I bought a solder and never used it because I was going to work on some project, and then it just sat in my closet. And then my girlfriend was like, saw a TikTok about punching holes in plant pots that don't have holes in them using a solder. And I'm like, well, you can have mine. I'm not using it. So now it's used as a plant pot hole puncher. Your color knowledge is decent, really nice. What does that mean? Mission shape, trail, lifetime random. Oh, here, randomness. What is this? Ah, there we are. That's cool. Now that looks like an explosion. Yeah, there we go. Boom. Yeah. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Alright. And it needs to leave like a... If I do this. Can I do like a... Maybe I could do... Alright, so we do this as an animation. Player, animation player. I'll have timer set to 0, one shot, auto start. Call restart on you, so that'll start it. Then animation player would be flash, I guess, I don't know. And we do on start 1 second, set the scale. So that'll be the key scale. So it takes, this has 1 second. So it's like there, I guess. We're gonna go here and we're gonna have you're gonna start there. No, fuck. Okay, so start the scale really low and give it cubic and drop you down to like nothing, I guess. And then visibility, just hide it. Yeah, that looks kind of cool. Hopefully it'll time right when I actually run it. And then this should also delete after set time. Let's say 3 seconds just in case. How do I do this? I was like, oh, I'll just disable link hiding because it's not really any point since most of the time people change it, or most of the time people are just posting like YouTube links, so it's like not worth it. Blue to red gradient? Blue to red gradient? What do you mean? It goes to black at the end. You made more from game dev than you would have from your soft shop. Now I have, yeah. Took me a while, but now I have, yeah. I make way more. I was like looking at my expenses last year. I'm like, damn, I spent a lot of money last year. Like way more than I used to make. Okay, so this is gonna spawn an explosion. So let's do var explosion object equals. Now this is like what I would love the, what is it, GitHub Copilot for? Where it's just like, you type in some code and it automatically does some stuff for you. Because that's, it like auto completes based on like common stuff. Because I do this like so many like kinds of code so many times over and over, like, oh, instancing an object or something. It's just like I've done this so many times. Alright, so I have to add it to the instance group. I have to add it to the tree. I always wondered why that never actually like auto-complete. Equals the target position. And then we have to do like a select to see if anything's in the area. I'm gonna put it in the boss. I'll do bosses group. And then I want to do a select, I guess, utility dot get items at point, I think. Is it items? Yeah, is spot clear? Nah, I want to just get items at point. So I have to pass in the space state, the point, the layer mask. Okay, so we're going to do this at the target position. I have no idea how much damage this is supposed to do. Oh. Target position with the, what layer is the player on? 2, okay. And get 2d.direct space state And the blast radius is what? Var explosion radius equals, let's say 30. Oh no. Alright, so. And I think that just returns a list of every collider. Okay, for things. I don't know, hit things. If hit thing dot is in group player, we'll do hit dot hurt by damage if in group. It's not the boss because you shouldn't be able to hit yourself. I do want to check if, what is the groups I do in this? Does this have a class? Yeah, it does. Okay, I could just check if it's the enemy class. Hit thing. If it's not in the boss and is enemy, then we do hit thing dot hurt amount damage. There we go. And what was the explosion radius going to be? Come on, measure this. Alright, so that's 70. I should probably put this in the scene actually and test. Where is... there. Yeah, that looks good. So that's about a 70 radius, I think. Or maybe I should do a little smaller to be more forgiving to the player. So let's say 50. Okay, and turn off the... make it one shot. There we go. Okay, so you are gonna do a 50 explosion radius. Looks good, I think. Let's see if this works. Watching your interview with Boba Bria, it's crazy how people value a cushy Google job over... Oh yeah, the freedom and creative. Okay, oh yeah, that looks pretty cool. Yeah, I know, it's like... I don't get why people would choose more, I don't know, security and stability, especially when you're young, because it's like, you just have so many options, and like, you have the whole future. It's like, why would you not, you don't need the security and stability that comes with like having a family or whatever. Okay, that looks cool. Can I take damage from this? Like, you can take risks and mess around and have fun, and it's like, if you're making money enough to survive and have some savings and be a little bit safe, okay, that works. Then it's like, have fun, mess around, have the freedom to like try new things. And I don't know, just being self-employed, you really can get so much work done for so much less time. I think I want to make it detonate a little closer, maybe like 15. Like, I get way more work done every day on way less hours than I did when I was working as a software developer. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, that looks cool. But now I need to make them actually, like, place the missile trackers. I'll have to draw something. Any idea of a release date? Before GDC. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks. Depends. I still need to get some sound effects made. Like, my current track for release is I'm finishing up this boss fight. And then I want to do 3 more boss fights, I think. So that'll be 5 in total. And then maybe like one more, like a regular enemy that could appear in the game. I'm not sure yet. But 5 boss fights total. I think I'll just go 5 boss fights total. Do a little I think there's like one more upgrade for the player I wanted to do that I haven't implemented, and should be pretty simple though. And then I just need to, I guess, put prices on all the items and then just play test a bunch, right? So the main thing is the 3 boss fights. Then it's just like tons of small things that should add up to like a few days of work. So yeah, 3 more boss fights after this. And then it's sound effect. I also have to like hire my sound designer to do some more sound effects. Okay. So this is working, this is working. I want to draw the missile detonation point. So let's do maybe a 400 by 400. Let's make the background black. Oops. And let's do mirrored like this. White. I think I can just draw it, yeah, with squares. That's not working. Oh, that didn't, there we go. Why is it drawing it in a line? That's weird. Yeah, it keeps doubling up like that. Maybe I should actually try drawing this as, that might be kind of fun actually, to draw this programmatically. Let's see. Node 2D, missile target, decal, I guess, I don't know. Missile target decal. Okay, so we're gonna do inner circle size 30, var outer size, var line width, let's say 4, export var line. I should have done color, I don't know, color dot red. All these should be exports. Function process, call update, and function draw. What's up, Sego? Hey, how's it going, Zippy Zach? All right, so we're gonna do draw line. Let's say cross. I don't know. Var cross line length equals, let's say 80. Okay, so it has a 50 explosion radius, so that should be 50. Let's do this at 20. And then let's have this at 60. So that should be smart. Let's see, we're gonna do a draw line from vector 2 dot up. Vector 2 dot up and times the cross line length to vector 2 dot down cross line length. And then whatever the color is. Always annoys me how draw circle and draw line have color and line width swapped. Line width, or radius, I guess, swapped. All right, so there we go. Then we need to do one for left and right. And then we need to draw arc. So the center, vector 2 dot 0. And the radius is going to be width, and the start angle is 0, the end angle is tau. Point count will be, I don't know, 16, and then color will be, let's say color, and line width, oops. All right, I think that's everything. We're gonna do outer circle. Okay, and then we're just gonna do, get a reference to that. Already var missile target decal equals, and we're just gonna set it, every frame, just set it to target decal global position equals the target position, and global rotation is gonna be 0. And if we've detonated, then we're just gonna hide it there. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, I probably should change the color of that. There we go. Okay. Wow, that's It's really dark on the inside. Oh, it's because I'm still drawing that circle there. Get rid of that. And get rid of, where was it? Update. I don't need that anymore. And let's change the color to be partially transparent. And I think bring this in to, let's say, 55. And then I'm missing something. Oh, I need to change its z-index. So I want to put it on whatever the ground layer was. So 4 is 0, floor wiring, 90 details, shadow, UCs, pickups, projectiles. Alright, let's put it on projectiles. See what that looks. Have you considered doing more rot flesh type games? I don't know, maybe. I just feel like everyone's doing boomer shooters now, and it doesn't feel like a fun, unique thing anymore. It's just kind of what everyone's doing, and I'm like, whatever. Okay. That seems too small. Like, what's up with this? See these? Wait, why are they going over there? Okay, I think I have my, whoops, size set up wrong. Oh, I'm gonna have to change the death load screen. What do you think of Ultra Kill? I haven't played it. Looks cool though. Alright, I should make that bigger. Outer circle, let's say it's extra. Oh, I guess I should say extra length, because this is gonna be added on to the whatever this is. So let's make this 60, and we're gonna say this there. Add you to this there. Added a Metal Gear. Oh yeah, this thing. I mean, it's more of a weird fleshy gear. Oh, did that render? Oh, that did render underneath. Okay, the explosion needs to be on the right layer. Hit effects 600. Right, okay. Dealing with 2D layering is so annoying. Still one advantage of 3Ds, you don't have to think about that. Okay, that looks pretty cool. I'm still thinking that that is the wrong size for some reason. One more. And then I think I'll call it on this, and I can set it up to actually work. Okay. Boom, boom. Yeah, that looks cool. Maybe make the lines a bit bigger. Low poly RPG. I think an RPG would be fun to do at some point. Okay, so it charges at you. And it shoots a bunch of missiles. I feel like it needs to shoot more missiles. Or the explosions could be bigger, maybe. Because right now it's not hard to dodge at all. So if I said like, what if I said they were this big, even though it's just the graphic decal? Oh yeah, now you have to actually dodge it. But I have to make the explosion bigger as well. You need to be twice the size. How do I do this? Drawing your emission shape, make you 70. And maybe 60 particles. Boom. Yeah, there we go. Okay, put that back on one shot. And make the missile explosion radius be 100 and... what was it? What did I do on here? It was 70, right? No. It was double this, so I'm going to say 100. see what that looks like. That'll slowly mess, so you can probably fill most of the room, and the challenge would be not. Yeah, that's what I want with finding the safe spot is kind of the goal. Yeah, okay, so that looks cool. Now I just need to test. I just want to test that they're dealing damage where they're supposed to. So yeah, and then I'll just add a bunch more missiles. It's a good idea. Oh wait, whoops, clicked off there. Explosion, let me just check this again. Explosion radius. Okay, so that's coming out to here. So that means it's dealing damage out to that range. Might be a little unfair. So I'll just shrink it in a little bit. On the missile, let's put you at 90. There we go. And let's have it shoot double that amount of missiles. So when you spawn missiles, missile spawner, I want to do, let's double this. Or I could say, I could like fill the screen with spots. Like I could fill the screen with spots where missiles can go, and then just remove 2 of them or something. And I think I'm going to do total missiles to spawn. That's going to be something else, but the missile head node. Alright, missile head node equals head node this. With that, modify missile nodes dot size. There we go. And we'll just say 16. Let's see how this looks. And then I can just do this. And say hide, whatever. There we go. Yeah, I like the idea of the eyes as well. There, see? Okay, that puts in a bunch of missiles. No bugs. Okay, looks cool. But now I just need to make them actually place in good spots. I mean, it kind of looks cool, but... There we go. Oh, but then I'll charge you immediately after, is one thing. So I think I have to like wait for them all to hit, or just add a longer delay or something. Yeah, I think I just have to check for every missile to have exploded, and then wait. Okay. Okay, missile. So right now I have top left and top right, or bottom right for spots. Let's see. So I'm not going to use that anymore. Instead, I'm going to use function get hit positions. And we'll like shuffle and delete 2 of them. Beep targeting sound. Yeah, that's later when I get sound effects. I'll just ask, maybe like a lock-on sound or something. We'll see. So we're gonna get hit positions, return, that'll return an array. So we're gonna do this. Random hit spots, we're gonna say random hit spots dot shuffle, and then we're gonna pop the first 2. Dot pop, I don't know. For I in range, let's say 3. And just get rid of 3 of them, basically. So if we cover the entire screen, then we make 3 spots safe or something. Sounds last, yeah. That's usually how it is for me. Just way easier. So we get the let's see. Missile explosion size is going to be like, let's say 200. I don't know. So we'll have 200 as the size. So do this. So we get the height and the width, and I completely forgot how any of this code works. But or these are too global. So okay. I can lerp. I could just do lerp. That would be easier. I don't know. Let's say this. So we're gonna say num of H missiles. I could just say, well, I could just do a count actually. Num of H missiles equals 8, and then vertical missile placement will be 8 also, and I can just mess with it. We'll do 10 for that. And then we're gonna do var hit positions, and we're gonna return, so 4x in that range, y and return this. What other boss ideas do you have? I was thinking of some kind of like dodging thing where it, what is this throwing error? Yes it is. Oh, vertical missiles. I was envisioning something like different bars come down the screen and you have to like dodge between them in like a phase, and then you shoot at it when it's clear. But now I'm thinking Frogger. Just literally have Frogger, except it's like, I don't know, weird spiky things coming across the screen, and you have to like crawl in between really quick to get to the other side so that you can I don't know, shoot something on that side, and then once you deal a certain amount of damage, or every set amount, yeah, if you're on that side and you've done, after a certain amount of time it goes to the other side, and then you have to crawl back to the other side kind of thing. That would be funny. It doesn't even try to attack you, I think. It would just, it's just literally Frogger. And then, oh, I could even have ammo in there. That would be funny. Okay, so we're getting this. This is confusing me. I have this as top left. I'm not sure. Whatever. Okay, so we're just gonna say var position equals vector 2, and then we're gonna do hit positions dot append position, and then we're gonna set position dot x is gonna be, I don't know, I have this flipped all over the place somehow. Width divided by 2 plus width times x. Width divided by number of missiles times x, and then the y will be the same thing with that, and height and times y, and then we just return to global. All right, and then let's see what that does. Okay, that completely broke. Where are those going? Let's see. Let's just, I guess, clear that on the map, and then I can follow them and see. Maybe it's just like an offset amount. They're going to the wrong spot. Oh yeah, okay, so they're all coming over here. Oh, why are they kind of like offset all over the place? It almost looks right, but it's like in the wrong spot somehow. Like what if I just say, okay, I can just do like 2, and then I can print the spots or something. Oh, I have to do, how many? Let's just not do any of that for now. Make him telegraph, give me time to dodge. Yeah, I do need to do that. Let's just do, oh, I see, random hit spots dot size. Here we are. Okay, so it's doing what it's supposed to do, where it spawns in on a grid. Oh, I think it needs to be +1 or something. Yeah, here we are. We're on a grid. Properly on a grid, right? But why is it down there? Oh, right. It's supposed to be subtracted by this, not... Right, okay. Not multiplied by... Or not added to. It's subtonic. Alright, now they're going to the right spot, mostly. But not entirely. So if I say 8 and 8... okay, it's mostly going there. Oh, that one got stuck. Oh, okay, so it's got to be based on the original start position. Var top left position. And bottom right, and then I can set these in here. Oh, but then I can't do local position. This, and then we get the bottom right one. And oh, I need to get rid of that. Let's, I guess, see if this works. It's like, and then what I want to do, get rid of append that. Yeah, they are supposed to be slow. Yeah, it's gone right, Tomic. They have to be slow so you can dodge, basically. It's not supposed to be a high-speed attack, but it still needs playtesting to figure out what needs to happen here. And I'm pretty sure these are all going to go to the wrong spot. Yeah, these are going to go way off somewhere else. So let's just put like 2. That one's not being used. So we get the top left position, we get the bottom right position. Subtracting them gives you these values. I forget why, but it just does. And then Oh, I need to add it to our position, I think. Var start position. If we just add everything to that, it should be fine. Because then it'll be situated on that. We have our start position or there, and then it gets everything in a grid between those. Wherever we are, we just add it to the start position. It should give me what I want, I think. Mostly. What is this? There's two. Oh, and they're just a little too high. I guess it technically needs to be over here. Let's put this at negative. Oh. And you go over here. So I can see the top left is there and the top right is there. So it's going to get me the difference between these. Let's see. Yeah, that's not right. It needs to start at this position and extend out. So if I'm doing 2 missiles, it'll go 1 here. Oh, right. So it's only going to do 1 here and 1 here if I do it based on the segments. So it needs to spawn, if I'm doing 2 missiles, the first one's going to be here and the last one's going to be, if I do 3, then it's going to be there and there. So it's divided by 1. Okay, so it's width divided by the amount minus 1. Missile spawner. So width divided by the amount minus 1. There we go. Music. Pause, whatever, listen to something else. Okay, that gives me most of the spawn, I think. Let's see. Problem is it's not... Okay, there's 1 there. There's 2 up there for some reason. Yeah, right directly there. There's 2 down. They're like a little too far. I'm not sure why. I don't know. This should be... Maybe it's because I do have these swapped and that's why it's wrong. Now that I fixed the positions. Yeah, you too. Have a good day, Potomac. Oh, there we go. That's what it was. Now it's working. Okay. So now I can just adjust. So let's say we put 8 here and 6 here. Okay, so now it paints the whole field in missiles. There we go. I think I could do a few less though. Oh, but they go to... I think... It's got to paint the missile point, the hit points first. And then the missile should launch. So that way they all hit roughly at the same time? Not sure. Okay, but let's make so there's a few safe spots first. And let's not do a delay on the firing. Or I could do a really small delay. Okay, there needs to be a few less missiles, so that's impossible. The fire rate, set it to 0.1. Oh, right. So that's fine. That's 7 and 5. Let's try. There we go. So now I can just stay right in the middle. There we go. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Look at that. Ah. Yeah, maybe the missiles should move fast, but it takes some time, and then they move really fast. Time before acceleration, I guess. Time before moving equals 2, and then the move speed will be 3,000, maybe. Maybe 1,000. Time before moving 2.0. If time before moving is greater than 0, return. Delta, there we go. And then I need to set your missile stage. Missile shoot time. Set it to 8 seconds just in case. Alright, so this is going to wait 2 seconds before firing. Or maybe 3. Let's say 3 seconds before firing, and then it'll shoot really fast to wherever the goal is. And let's see what happens. What the fuck? Oh, is it not updating? Oh, this needs to have its thing set up. There we are. Time to reach max turn speed, 1/10 of a second, let's say. Okay, that's... Oh. And the end turn speed should be 700. Okay, so we go here. Oh, that one got stuck. Maybe I could say it's, I don't know, 1,000. Somebody sub? What was that? Oh, thanks, 10 Alive. How's it going? And then I guess I should just explode after. I can give it a little more forgiving, actually, of an explosion radius now that they're going fast. Yeah, that one's getting stuck still. Alright, let's make your explosion radius 35 pixels. Whoops, that was wrong. Numlock wasn't on. Numlock has got to be the most useless fucking button on a keyboard. Or no, it's scroll lock is the useless one. Don't see anymore. Numlock is just annoying and pointless most of the time. Okay, let's try turning this an actual level now. Okay, hide here. Their rotations aren't changing like they're supposed to. Oops. Okay. I think I need to make the explosion radiuses a little smaller. Yeah, they're a little too big. So missile, your explosion radius should be, let's say, 75. And the target decal, let's make it 140. There we go. Oops, okay. fuck. Over here. Haha, there we go. That's cool. I think it needs to be offset a little bit inside though, with the position indicators. Cool. Okay, so let's make you, I think, your position here. And the X, let's make it 260. And now let's make it 380. See how that looks on the side. Or I could just make the arena a little bigger, I guess. Yeah, I could just make the arena bigger, actually. Let's do that. Can't undo. Oh my god. Alright, 400 and then 280. And then make this arena bigger. One more on the right. There we go. Okay, that looks much nicer. Whoops. Okay. I think it needs an even smaller radius because it's still like kind of overshooting. Okay, that looks cool, but now it's like this. Oh, this needs to like update again after moving. Right, that's what the problem was. Actually, it looks kind of cool, even though that's a bug with the particles. It looks cool. Oh, maybe it should just run in place for a second. That would look good. There we go. And you could tell that it's about to charge. Alright, so charge state. Alright, so missiles look good. Everything looks good. The charge state now needs to be fixed. So when you charge, or charge prep time, whoops, equals 2.0. Okay. Okay, so we're about to charge here. We're not stunned, so we haven't hit the end yet. So current if current state time is less than that, then we're gonna do something. Or prepping equals if it's less than that, don't move, basically. Oh, I know. I'll say if it's greater than, then we move. Otherwise, we're gonna say, what is this? Oh, it's less than 1. I can put you over here, I guess. Put you at the end, maybe? Okay. And that's gonna be if. So we're checking. Alright, so as soon as we get in the charge state, play the run animation. Then we need to do. We need to check all of this stuff, I guess, in here. Where is that? Okay, I'm just gonna undo all this. I don't know what I'm at. Okay. Undo. Alright, so we have our code here. So we're just going to check if the current state time is greater than that. We do something. And we want this to be delta, otherwise it's going to be stay time. Yeah, and when we switch to the stunned section, we're just going to reset that time. Okay, so run, but velocity is in here. This goes over here. And this is all going to go up one layer. Why is it? Oh, that needs to go up also. There. Okay, so now it should charge in place for 2 seconds. Oh, fuck. Two seconds is too long. Try 1 second maybe. Actually, it looks really cool. All the missiles spawn on top and hold in place. Yeah, it's like they're prepping. Okay, yeah, that looks cool. It's like kind of retro. Time to reach max turn speed. Let's try putting that at 0.5 seconds, see how that looks. Oh yeah, that looks so much cooler. Okay. And it looks like everything hit. Okay. Yeah, that looks cool. Okay, alright. Looking good. Alright, I think that's done. I just need to get the actual health bar set up and the actual arena. Health bar and the arena. So this has boss health bar. Copy you into I guess we just set it. Does this automatically do that? I guess not. I think I had to do this from, yeah. I feel like this should be in, yeah. This should be in the parent class, I think. Whoops. There we go. And then you are declared dumbass. Alright, so you're extending boss. You do have that declared. Shut up. And where else is this called? Set health. Alright, so on hurt. Do I have this defined somewhere? Oh, I guess I don't. That's annoying. Okay. Yeah, alright, whatever, I can just copy that in. Let's see what it looks like. No indestructible terrain, just keeping it simple. This isn't like a main thing. It's too much extra work for not much reward. Why is it not showing? Oh, right, because I didn't set the actual fight started. So, where does start fight get called here? On this. Ah, I see. This should be... This needs to be in the boss class. And this... Yeah, this all needs to be like declared in the boss class. Okay, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you. Don't need you. Just this. And in Blobble, you can call the parent one. There. And that needs to be saved, and that needs to be saved. These are unique. So then I can just call this. And missiler, we're just going to say, alright, start fight. You're going to call switch next state. Alright. Actually, yeah, I don't need that because I can just have it run this. Start the fight, switch to the next state. There we go. Yeah, that's all it is. Where are you? Yeah, I don't think I need any of this code defined. Yeah, this is in boss. Yeah, I do want the verbose tag, I guess. There. Right, well, I guess I don't need that. You. What? Oh. Yeah, I don't need you. Starts with that. Alright, that works. Let's see. Oh, there's no name on it. Wait, did I define a name on this one? I guess not. Yeah, I want a name. Center. And oh, I guess this needs to be a little taller then if I'm doing that. Right. Yes. Boss name. I guess I could just put an export tag. Boss name equals this, and then on here I can just do health dot set boss name. Is that it? Yeah. Yeah, and then on this, I'll just set. Oh, there is creature name. I could just do that. There we are. And I could do like. There we go. So it gives me the title. Doesn't really have any health right now. Did I actually set it up to be able to die? Oh, and that missile state is taking too long. Did it die? I think it got stuck. I'm not sure. Oh, I never actually play the animation when it dies, that's why. Set state dead, it has to play the animation. Player.play. Oh, I never made a death animation, that's why. Okay, so I need to make a death animation for that. Probably give it some more health. Wait, why is... Oh, health is 4. It looks so goofy. Yeah, well, I will murder you. Okay, it charges, it does all that. Just needs the death animation. So let's see. What is this music? Oh, Banjo-Kazooie. Just do the death animation here. So I can just duplicate this. Death. put it to, I don't know, out to 1 second maybe. Let's see, don't put you there. I want animation. So let's do the head, we'll move down. Maybe like move it out or something. Okay, we'll say that for the head. The legs, maybe they'll come out here. And the foot can come out. There we go. And this should not loop. Okay, yeah, it looks fine. So now we can just play death. Alright, when you die, play death animation. Man, this one's just about done then. Close it out here. Hey, what's up, Akuti? How's it going? Okay, and it's dead. We can climb on it. Cool. Got money for killing it. I'm gonna have to test this to make sure it's still working, but that is good to go. Give it some more. Now leave it on the same health, and then we make an actual boss fight room. So boss rooms, we got this one set up, and we'll say insular room, hide that one. Okay, you, where is it? Here it is. I think I need a better way to do this to like connect some signals or something, because I'd hate to have to like manually connect all this shit every time. So we have the trigger when you enter. There's doors. This is the entrance door. This is the exit door. And then this is, what is that? Oh, that's for the, yeah, the upgrades, whatever. Boss. Boss room. Okay, whatever. We'll do this. So we need to basically get the boss. We're going to go up. Parent.get node doors. Entrance door. Wait. It's called entrance door. And we need to do doors, entrance door, basic sliding door. And then exit door. Was that exit door? Just gonna automate this because it's so annoying doing signals. Is YouTube not good for streaming? I guess not really. I didn't feel like it. And yeah, I'm just doing Twitch now. Also, I'm mostly just streaming to stay busy, and I don't know, I don't like the idea of streaming on YouTube. It just feels like not the right place for it. Have legs stay and body and head move forward like it's falling. Oh, yeah, now it kind of sits down. I don't know, kind of sitting down looks alright, I feel like. Bar, player, enter, trigger, rules, trigger on player, enter, there we go. I think that's oh, and then I just need a boss, which is going to be equals whatever the hell for child you get. Children. If child. Alright, if it's a boss, then equals child. There we go. We set that. Right. So we have this on here. We can get, is this connected to something? shouldn't be. Disconnect you. Alright, this is not connected to anything. So now, boss dot connect fight started. This needs to connect to the entrance door, say close, and then when the boss dies, connect died to entrance door and call open, and same with the exit door, and player dot connect body entered to, what are we connecting it to? Well, this is something else. Hang on. Alright, so when the player enters, we're going to do, no, not to self, to boss, and call start fight. Here we are. So now that should just automate everything I was doing before. So I don't need to have this do anything. I don't need to have any of you connected. So that's not there. And then we just have this script on here, and then doors, room door, you will be exit door, and you are entrance door there. So, okay, good. So that should be all automated, and now I don't have to deal with any of this shit. No, what's up, Kyra? So now we can go back to level generation, and I want to get the only that boss. So let's see if I can like force. I guess I need a debug thing. All right, so force the boss spawn. Door exit door unlocked. Seed doesn't work right now. No enemies. Boss room only. Let's just see if this works anyways, because that other one is, I changed some things on the other fight, so that might be broken. Non-existent function in base nil. What the fuck? What script did I put this on? Create this instance. Function ready. Why is... maybe I need to like wait a frame or something. Yield. Get tree. Something stupid. Idle frame. Alright, let's see this. Of DSD, thank you. I should have kept that title, huh? Alright, that's not working. So for some reason this isn't connecting. What did I put this script on? So room prefabs, I have this script on endemic mode boss room, right? Oh, I never added the, right, I never, missile alert, no. Alright, put you here, put you in the center. Now make the walls a little wider. What was it on the test room? It was a 2 gap? No, it was about a 1 gap, I guess. Should be good. Alright, so it spawns there. I could make it a little smaller, I don't know. You're gonna be... What's the radius? Each explosion is like 70, 70. It's gonna come out to like there. So I probably could actually just shave off another layer, which would look nice. Alright, put you here, put you down here. You have to make all these unique. Yeah, I really think this one needs like more space in the fight. Alright, there we go. Oh, and this one needs to be lined up. Alright, I'm working on a roguelike mode for Endoparasitic. Yeah, just like proc gen levels and stuff like that. Endless sort of randomly generated stuff is the idea. Okay. Oh, it spawned at that time. Why is it starting a fight right now? Oh. Whoops. Why is it in the fight? Oh, because I still have the code for starting it here. Alright, ignore that. Here we are. Now the problem is that I think its position is wrong. Because actually I do want to test. Yeah, shut up. With another already merged edge. Where? Error calling this method called with one. What do you mean where? Yeah, I don't care about that one. Some mesh is messed up, apparently. Somewhere there's a broken mesh. I don't know on what. It's not on you? No. Whatever. Okay. You're here, right? I think I want to delay the time it takes by 1 frame for you to get your position, though. Shut up. Come on, give me this. So you get, what was it? You were calling start fight there. I want to delay your position taking by a frame. There we go. Thank you, Cairo. I'll do my best. I'm about to get off soon. Have to find someone to raid, I guess. One thing I find annoying about Twitch. Okay, now it's working. Okay, so it got... Now it's going to bug out because it's going to try to get the position of the player. Yeah. But that looked nice, having all the missiles spawn in. Not sure why it's not giving me the other boss. Actually, yeah, let's see if I can just get it. Maybe I accidentally fixed the seed issue somehow. Okay, that one's giving me the other boss. That's fine. Okay, only thing is turn off start fight at the beginning of the game. Right, and then finally just need to take off debug view and actually run through a level. And I have no idea which boss I'm going to get. Oh, I never made the player trigger, did I? Fuck. Room prefabs. You. Trigger on player enter. Are you not connected? I feel like this needs to come down. It just looks kind of weird. Did you not connect, right? Oh, right, it tried to call start fight with signal body entered, expected. What? No. Player entered. Player entered here. That's the problem. Okay. Oh no, not you. Over here. Not sure why it's throwing a navigation bug now. It's like never had a problem before. Must be something with the new. Okay, here we go. Now it's working. But it's fucked up on the. Okay, if it's rotated, I need to figure out something. And your run speed is broken. What's going on? What's up with that? Oh, maybe I exported some values. Okay, so I need to see if the scene is rotated, and then... Okay, so you... On the test level, I guess I gave you a bunch of move speed. Yeah, 400. Alright, so give me 400 move speed here, and then I need to see if... you're, I don't know, somewhat close to facing to the right, I guess. So the missile spawner, I just want to see if... yeah, I made this game too. Let's see. I need to see if are we starting rotated? I guess that's what I need to check. Bar start rotated equals false, and then I just need to check if we have started rotated, then bar temp equals width equals height, and then height equals temp. So we just swap the width and height. I think that'll be fine. Oh, and I think I have to do the vertical and horizontal have to be switched as well. Might have to be an integer. Equals number of vertical missiles and equals temp I. There we go. Alright, so we start rotated, so I just need to see if global rotation is like approximately equal to, I don't know, 90 or something. Let's just print our rotation degrees. Print global rotation degrees. And I can do debug view to force it. Okay, so it's gonna be like 0 or 180 or negative 90. Where is it? Okay, so in this case it's 180, so that means facing the left. 90 means it's facing down, that's fine. Alright, so if it's... Alright, so it's approximately 0 or 180, that means it's rotated. Where is it? You. Missile spawner. If global rotation dot is, how do I do this? Is equal approximately. Okay, that and 0. Then start rotated is equal to true, or if it's equal to 180, I think. Oh, I just need to actually print that. Let's see if my calculation is right. Yeah, Steam pays pretty well. It's doing good right now. Okay, so false, not rotated. Wait. That was supposed to be true. True. That gave me true. Maybe I need to do absolute value. False, negative 90, yep. False. False, 90, yep. No, okay, so 0 is giving false. Maybe I need to, I guess I'll just say absolute value. And let's see if that works. Maybe at is equal approx doesn't work very well with negatives or something. False. What the hell? So that returns 0. Maybe I need to do is 0 approx, and then I can just say this. See if that works. That's kind of stupid. I wonder why there's a different value. It's faster than using that, huh? Okay. Still says false. Alright, that's stupid. If that is less than 0.1, I guess. The absolute value of that is less than 0.1. And yeah, let's just see if that works. True. Okay, there we go. True, true, true. False, false. There we go. Okay, good. It's working as it should. Now I just have to see if the actual fight works as it's supposed to. You gonna buy it now? It'd be on your wish list for ages. Thanks. Yeah, I think it's worth it. It's a fun game. Alright, let's go see if this works. And even if it doesn't, I'm gonna get off because it's late and I'm hungry. Alright, so it didn't fucking work the way it's supposed to. I think I wasn't supposed to swap the missiles. Maybe I'll just take that off. See that? And that's my last test. Ah, there we go. Okay. No. It's a one-off. Yeah, it's a one-off on the room height, I guess. Yeah. Looks like it's... Oh, no, it's... Huh. It's like the distances are right. Oh, well. I'll figure it out later. Should I say it's nice how you thinking out loud has value for learning if you might pick up something over a tutorial. Having you in the background is nice as well. Yeah, a lot of people like to work from watching streams and stuff, but I'm glad it's helpful. I'm going to get off now. I'll see you guys tomorrow, probably. I'm going to back this up. I don't know. What did I work on? What did I do? Explosion and missile hit decal. Oh, I should probably add craters. Target decal. Edit. Automate. Yeah. All right. There we go. Good timing. Heading to bed. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. See ya, Cootie. Now I gotta raid someone. I forgot. This is a thing you do on Twitch. Let's see. Who to raid. I don't know who's making games. I'm not going to stop and talk. So if anyone... How do I find this game? Development. Here we are. Okay. Who's this? Game development. Hey, it's Polymars. Alright, I'll raid Polymars here. Tell him I said hi. /raid Polymars. Alright, you got 10 seconds. Tell him I said I have to go work. Or I have to go eat, I mean. See ya, Cairo.